Hello my friends, this is Lucy with Fluidart with Macrame Elegance. Welcome to my channel. So I've been doing some painting and I think I'm going to try something a little different in this technique that I'm doing. Too many times they don't work and then I get a gorgeous one. But I think I'm going to start with the middle bloom first and then do the other blooms. So let me put on some pillow paint and then I need to let my dog out. Let's look at the colors. I'm going to start with Crescenda by this little piggy. Gorgeous. I just got this. And then I will use Watermelon, and this is by this little piggy. It's one of my favorite colors. Then I will use Lagoon by this little piggy. And I have, this is a mixture of this little piggy Pre-Night and Lily Pad. So I'm using almost all TLPs, little piggies, except I will also add Turquoise Phthalo, gorgeous color. So I'm going to start with, this time I'm going to start in the middle. And that's Crescenda. Next, I'm going to use Watermelon. Oh, I love this color. I don't know why, I just always have. Next, I'm going to use Lagoon. Come on. I don't know if I'm going to go for the green. I'm going to add, maybe after the turquoise. I'm going to add the turquoise. I love this color. Not sure what I want to do. You know, on this bloom, maybe on the side blooms, I'll add the green. We'll see how it looks in here. I'm going to be using Amsterdam's Permanent Blue Violet as my cell activator. Try not to put too much. Okay. And I'm going to be using my flower blow dryer on low with the attachment. All right, well, I'm not so happy with that. I'm gonna do just a few adjustments because I don't really like the, let me make it into a flower. I usually don't do this on the, when I'm doing like the 3 blooms on here. But as I do, it's kind of pushing colors away around. It's adding color into where maybe there's a, like that was all blue. It's just adding a little interest. Okay. Now I'm going to do the other blooms. I think I'll add the green to the other 2 blooms just to see what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna start with the purple. Gonna put it kind of close. I don't think I'm gonna use quite as much watermelon, which is next. I am going to put a little of the green that I didn't do last time. And then the turquoise, different order colors. And then the lagoon. Come on. Okay. All right. Now I'll add my cell activator. It definitely is adding that green is totally different color. But that's okay, because that's on the side. Most of that will be taken off. A few places have a little too much of that purple for me. Let's see if I can kind of get rid of a little bit of that. Okay, that's better. Now I do need to clean up just this, like this drip drop here of the red watermelon. All right, next bloom. I'll do it just like this one. It'll be a nice contrast for now. Okay, I'll start with the crescenda. This is a long canvas rather than square, so the sides, the longest sides, the paint will come off that easier. So a lot of this will come off. Next is the watermelon. And the green. And the turquoise. And lagoon. Okay. Put in our cell activator. Let's go. Okay, I like that. That was a better blowout than the other two, I think. But who knows when we spin it out what this is gonna really end up looking like. Let me check and see if I have any. I need to let that sell up. Anything I need to pop? I see some bubbles. Let me use my torch. This one. Just not popping. One tiny one right here. Okay, a few more minutes and that will, oh, that's probably going to come off anyway. But let me give it a second. Okay, let me scoot this over and I'll scoot the camera over too. All right, let's spin it. Oh, that's pretty. I'm glad I got lacing here. Ooh, that's pretty. Remember I said that when I was trying to work on getting some of that black, oh, not black, sorry, the cell activator off and I was poking at it. See how even a little bit really spreads. That's nice. Okay, one more spin. Oh yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's beautiful. Which way? This way? This way? Now I'm glad that I made it like, remember when I was making it like a flower going in? Otherwise it would just be all this one main bloom probably. I'm happy with this. So I think it works better for me to do the middle bloom first. Well, at least it did this time. Well, I'm glad you're watching here with me. I will get you down for a close-up. And if you would like to learn more, please subscribe and hit the like button if you like it. And I will try to learn more and more of the bloom techniques, the swipe, and then there's so many more techniques that I want to learn. So, and I will get to them all. So, God bless you. I hope you have a wonderful day or evening, and I will get you down for a close-up.